Hello everyone, welcome to my broadcast. Today's our topic is the velvet is our new bonus task. I'm going to explain this. Stay tuned and keep watching with me. Hello everyone, how are you? Everyone, so now we are going to start our topics today. Our topic is the velvet, and let's get explore about this topic. Stay tuned and keep watching with me and explore this topic with me. So let's see what happens in this the informations we are getting. So now you have to see that this is the Velvet is launchful. So now you have to see Velvet is the DeFi operating system streamlining on-chain research, trading, and the portfolio. The management Velvet is a DeFi operating system streaming on-chain research, trading, and the portfolio management. And the Velvet app is live on the BNB chain, base Solana, Ethereum, and the Sonic with the 100K and the users trading and the executing the DeFi strategies. So it's multiple multi-agent AI co-pilot integrated into the app to the help discover, the analyze, and execute new opportunities and using the natural language and the Velvet is infrastructures allows the others to the create, the tokenize, the DeFi strategies and to manage them via UI or APIs with the 10K and the wallets already created by the calls and the traders and the crypto hedge funds. Thanks to everyone who's joining my stream. So now you have to see this ETH polls. It's total stacking rewards and the participants are 2,376 and already in Ethereum its stack is price pool early cap is 2,916.66 wallets and the mining period is 5 days. Individual early reward cap is 233.33 wallet Velvet, and the total stack is 225,423.1483788 Ethereum. Okay, so its APR is 4%. So now going to explore this website where it's here. So welcome the everyone who's joining my stream. So first of all, Abu AIN and Crypto MacBook Crypto Champion. Thank you everyone who's joining here. And hi, hello, Mr. Crypto MacBook. Thank you for joining here. And Crypto Champion, thank you, brother, the Crypto Champion. The good morning, and how are you guys? So next you have to see this trade smarter with AI and to grow your crypto profiles. Join the 100K and the users trading in the $100 billion on chain. So let's get started. So now you have to see the beautiful menu. So now don't let the others not outwork you. Find and to trade the next 100. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm already fine now. Thanks you for your concern. And how about you, Mr. Crypto Champion and Mr. Crypto MacBook? Next, you have to see the unleash your DeFi powers, the trade, grow, and the win with ease, and the master DeFi like a pro maximize uh, profits and the minimize hassle. So spot the next beginner and the trends. So now it's a trade and the earn DeFi yield all in one place. So yes, no, you have to see that this is. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. Good to see you. Same here. I already get feeling good to see you. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Where's your other members? Last time when I'm streaming, no one can join my stream from your team members already. The Crypto Champion, are you here? Listen to me, what I'm saying. Last time, no one can join from your teams. No one can join my stream already. So okay, the next you have to see this audit and the secured. We prioritize securities with back shield and see open Zepla. Here's these are the our partners who is partnering for taking the partnerships with the Velvet, so internet operating system to the architect sorry orchestrate and the all DeFi needs and the DeFi middleware and that helps to launch and manage the tokenized wallets and the other DeFi products also. So next, you have to see this the questions we have you covered. So first of all, what is the Velvet? So now here is the introductions about the Velvet. So the Velvet is your ultimate DeFi trading and the protocol management OS and powered by the intense. Okay. Uh, can anyone tell me about my voice? Is it clear? I don't know, but my voice is not clear, I think. Okay, thank you, Mr. MacBook, for replying me. Thank you. It's good for me. So now you have to see this. The what is the Velvet? So now I'm going to introduce this thing. As a Velvet is your ultimate DeFi trading and the protocol management OS, and powered by the interest in AI. So welcome, Mr. Lido and Vero and everyone. Thank you for joining here. So now we are going to introduce the first of all Velvet. So now you have to see this. Is it clear now? Oh, Mr. Crypto Champion, thank you. Thanks a lot for your response. So now you have to see this. Velvet is your ultimate DeFi trading and the protocol management OS it's powered by the intents and the AI. So trade any tokens like a pro with our smart executions engine and access to the DeFi protocols in one click and explore or create high performing profiles and whether you are snapping so the next 100x or compounding yield in your wallet. So Velvet is the makes DeFi seamless and here is okay. The Velvet makes the DeFi seamless and smooth and the joint 25K. The users already trading the $100 million on the Velvet. Start your journey to this. Okay. Okay. So next questions here. How does the Velvet make the DeFi trading easier? So we simplify DeFi with a sleek and all in the one platform, trade, earn yield, and manage your DeFi positions in seconds using our initiative dashboard. So no more juggling the multiple tabs and the protocols or smart executions engine and ensure you get the best route and while the real-time on-chain analyst and help you the spot trading tokens also. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion, for your the cutest comment here. So our smart execution engine ensure you get the best route while real-time on-chain analytics and help you the spot trading tokens and its DeFi trading best, faster, and the smarter and the way easier. So next you have to see this. Next question is, can I trust the Velvet with my friend funds? Sorry. So you don't need to, unlike these centralized exchanges also. The Velvet never the takes the custody for of your funds, and you trade and the manage positions directly from your wallet, and the Velvet team cannot access your funds at the any points of time. So Velvet infrastructures undergone seven security audit and the open and at the commute competitions and the has a live bug bounty to ensure the highest level of the security. Okay, so next question is, how do I get started with the Velvet? So now you have to see this. It is easy as the one, two, three, click the Launchpad app and then to start the exploring trading tokens and connect to your wallet, and the next it's start trading and the building your profile instantly, and the no complicated steps up sorry setups and no guesswork, and just pure DeFi powered at your fingertips, and your first 100x is waiting. Don't miss out, and then click out and join this amazing opportunity. The gate has been set for you. Next is the how can I earn more than Velvet? So invite your friends with your referral link to earn 50% of their trading fees for life. To see the referral sections of the app. So more details are in the additional airdrops and the rewards every time you use the Velvet. So click here to use the airdrop sections for the more details. And next question is, how can I Velvet help my project? So now you have to see this. Wait, it's the Velvet, and is the ultimate middleware and for the DeFi projects looking to the dominant or intend the operating system. See, let's use streamlines on-chain trading and launch the tokenized wallets and manage DeFi projects and more. To slash the cost and accelerate the growth and lead the DeFi race, all while the leveraging the platforms trusted by the industry leaders and here's the latest news about the sharing insight from the industry to our community and the engineering team. So now you have to see if you want to see any update about the wellness of gap here, and then see from uh, check out these news about the velvet. So align yourself with the latest news on the velvet and the DeFi to start growing your DeFi portfolio today. So okay. Next, you have to see this paradox. So first of all, we are going to explore the velvet. Welcome the rich man visitor 17 and gate users size. Hi, this is Mara. Thank you for joining here, everyone. And how are you guys? Please kindly drop your comments in the comment section. I will try my best to give you the answer to all of your questions. Okay. So now you have to see this next step, DeFi trading and the portfolio management. So the Velvet Capital is DeFi trading and the portfolio management ecosystems powered by the intents and the offering a vertically integrated stack with a native user app, so and agentic the TG boots and the APIs for easy integrations and the DeFi OS of the for the agents, and there are the four main ways to use our products. So first you have to see the AI framework. So the Velvet includes a unique self-empowering multi-agent AI operating system tailored especially for DeFi. So the users are able to define alpha, get TA, and the price predictions and execute the trades and the DeFi actions in VI natural language. And next, you have to see the trend trading the terminal. So the explore trading high volume and new tokens, top gainers, yield generating DeFi pools and analyze and trade any of them directly for your wallets. Use AI trading co-pilots right in the app to find additional alpha. So ideal for the crypto dealers and DeFi the authentics the looking for the professional grade and the platforms with a seamless interface. Next is the portfolio management. So now you have to create either a personal wallet or a shared wallet for your community to join. So either allow only the whitelisted a wallet to deposit or open it up and everyone so your followers will get the same execution price as you and avoid the getting front run ideal for the public traders and private trading groups and investment DAOs and equals as influencers who want to nurture their community and the build track record. And next is the custom app. So you have to spin off and the app under your own web domain and the domain and the branding to the preserve direct client and relationships and instead of the spending the hundreds of thousands of dollars and the month on development you can use our out of the box tech and ideal for the crypto and the finage projects and hedge funds and the asset management which want to the launch DeFi products for their clients. The next we have to check out the trading terminal. So now you have to see the trading terminals on well which you can trade any token or DeFi pools directly from your wallet so without having the to deposit and on the platform. So first select the on chain you want to use and base the Solana, Ethereum, BNB chain or bit layer and the more chains coming up and once the chain is selected you can view the trading page and new pairs and also the gain is stop volume and with the various parameters. There are the two ways to trade on the Valid trade terminals. One is to quick buy a token where you can set the amounts and top right and then click to the purple lightning bolt next to any tokens on the app and the other is clicking on the arrows at button on the right and which will add tokens to the trade and model on the right where you can preview the amount and the execution of the trade. Now you have to see these charts and you can also click on the tokens you would like to view and go to the details page where you can see the on-chain analytics and charts and transactions and on trade into the tokens you selected from any asset on that chain and to execute the swap and decide the amount and execute the trade on the right side of the screen. So next you have to see this image. So it's going to you can also the view and the go in and out of the DeFi pools for by clicking the yield at the top. So on the yield page, you will be able to see see the various APIs that DBL and other parameters and or search for your favorites. So with over 30 defined yield integrations and the words. This will deposit your funds into the pool and you will hold the token in your wallets. And next, you have to see this. You can also use the my positions to tap to get a holistic view of your portfolio and you can click on the positions here to the pull up the chart or directly click buy the sell. And next is AI framework. Welcome to all Gate users and the who's joining the streams, everyone. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see the overview. So Unicorn, the VU is the intelligence layers of the Velvet OS, giving you the AI superpowers and in research, trading, and DeFi, including in insights based on the chain and social data, and the natural language intent, the executions, and the autonomous protocol management. And next you have to see this is there. Here is the Velvet Unicorn AI, and the Velvet Unicorn is an unique self-empowering the multi-agent AI operating system and third specifically the operative file. So each AI agent has a predefined role and the research CEO, researcher, and analyst, and the trader with the flexibility to dynamically the modified or introduce the new rules and the needed continually enhancing the operational efficiency. The OS includes the both large agents and LLM based for the sophisticated and decisions making and the smaller custom built take specific AI models non LLM. It's designed to accurately the perform the specialized tasks. Welcome here, everyone. Thank you. The welcome, special welcome here is beautiful, dear Ratuba. Thank you for joining here. Okay, so now you have to see the agents cooperate through a reward and the feedback the loop, and the three write their own promise and ensuring the continuous self-empowerment, minimal hallucination, making it sure you be you and understands your query in natural verse. It's natural language and classifies it in the routes it to the right sub agents, analyst, and DeFi executor. Also, the leverages token specific data models and the market feeds, and the as the sentiment analysis to respond executes the actions such as the trades and as our valid allocations are permitted. Welcome, Ileana. Thank you for joining here. So she said, that should we hold ourselves there now? On this time, I'm doing my project, so I don't know on this time. So how can I suggest you anything? Welcome, the gate user, Pada Crypto. Thank you for joining. Yes. So now, next question is what you can do. So ask questions in the natural language. For example, what tokens are trending on the base and what's new in the market today. So what's your topic pick for the next hour? So what do you think about VU tokens and analyze the VU chart and receive the structures inside the summary of the market, the metrics and the price actions and the social sentiment, latest news and the tactical analysis price predictions based on the hedge fund grade the statistical the model risk parameters to avoid the rugs. Next is the take action immediately. So how to use the velvet unicorn. So to visit dap.velvet.capital and connect your wallets and look for the velvet unicorn AI. So the button at look for the Velvet Unicorn AI button at the bottom of the screen. So click it, open an AI assistant, and ask your questions or request a strategy. So which base tokens are you most bullish on and why? Next is then you can also ask the VU to execute the trade for you automatically using the Velvet. Next, you have to see the Velvet Unicorn gives you the live data inside and the execute the trades or the strategy actions all through a friend chat interface. And next, the roadmap. What's next for the Velvet Unicorn? So the phase one on change research. So next you have to see the roadmaps. What's the next of the Velvet Unicorn? So now you have to see this phase one on-chain research. The first milestone known as the on-chain research is completed. So align Velvet Unicorn to the search for alpha on-chain and use its statistical the models to make a prediction. So with the on-chain research, agent user and can find also preserve also self themselves. So next is the on-chain research, and then it's phase two is the intent-based execution. Phase three, the anonymous trade and the profile management and the trading strategies and the based on the volatility, social sentiment, and trading volumes. And next is the yield optimizations. Vision of the Velvet Unicorn. So here is it aims to the deliver goal agent aligned the autonomy. So agents like the CEO and the engagement manager make decisions And next, you have to see this visit and the goal aligned at autonomy and the task specific intelligence and the continuous self improvement and the modularity and the expansions. Next is the portfolio management. So here is the portfolio management. So you have to see that you can create a personal public portfolio wallet and on Velvet if you would like the others to see your performance and to track your regard or join the strategy. So it's easy way to launch your own on-chain hedge fund and get your first clients. And welcome the Gate users. Thank you for joining here. And Faridi, thank you for joining here. Next, you have to see the Slack public portfolio on the right. And now is the basic info. Here's the set of the portfolio name, ticker. Here's once the portfolio is deployed. You can go to the my portfolio to find it. It will also be on the marketplace, and if it is public, and go to the portfolio page to run your strategy. The next you have to see that the fee you set up for the wallets can be claimed by the pressing the claim page and at the bottom of the wallets page. So you can also change the fees by pressing the edit. They will only be changed after 30 days countdown and the expertise to give the depositors time and okay, so now you have to see the building a custom app. So the two easiest way to use the Velvet and the capital is via Velvet app. Here's anyone can set up a new wallet in a matter of the minutes, choosing the parameters that suit them. It. So next is the Y Velvet. So bringing together the latest research and the development in intent-based trade execution and accounts abstraction as well as hands hands-on trading experience. So next is a superior intent-based trade execution. So now you have to see the with intent-based architectures and the integrations with major aggregations and aggregators and solve the market makers and enable the smart routine and routing the cross chain the sources as the AI framework seems seamless the intent-based yield farming. So once chain allocation into the DeFi. Next is the native account abstractions and the permission capabilities, omni-chain asset management and derivation derivative, the strategy, and access to the real world assets. And next is the fees. Welcome the Mohingi brother. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see this next is the profile management piece. So the wallet managers can set up the following types of the fees for their wallets. And first is the management fee, the continuous constant fee defined as an analyze the percent of the total wise. Welcome everyone. The Yushi, the Orange Bunny, Flower Girl, Lewis. Thank you for joining it, everyone. So now you have to see the management fees. Next is the entry exit phase and the performance fees also. Next, the platform's fees is to support the further development and future tokens by the BACS and Velvet Capital DeFi execution. And where its executions engine takes 0.5% transactions fees, and we are implementing and the tired. So next is the governance. So you have to see this. We are a team of the crypto natives, and we have been in the place since 2016 and gone through all its up and downs. And we know firsthand what it makes to manage and the seven figure out crypto protocol on chain and our experience range from launching digital environment and the next you have to see that we have built Velvet and the capital of for ourselves and the community we have to found from over the years and excited to share it with you. So, as we believe in progress decentralization, we have formed Velvet DAO, which will be the main driving force behind the protocol management, and will be the guardly onboarding new members using the tokens as the main governance mechanism. So, you can find more information about the protocol governance in this section. Welcome to Gate users. Thank you for joining here, Lily. Lily. Here's the next is the tokenomics, the designs principle, the align incentives among the traders and protocol manager, long-term backers at the DAO. Next is the the where is attached the tangible value to the Velvet dollars VIFV, fee sharing and the buybacks and the boots, where is a bootstrap and the usage through the capped emissions and emissions and that declines or as organic revenue grows. Welcome to all Gate users. Hi, Ambition. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So please kindly drop your comment in the comment section. I will try my best to give you the answer to all of you. Stay tuned and keep watching here. Okay. So next is the Velvet token stack at a glance. So the Velvet dollar is the main. Where is Welcome to Gene Corn, No Time, Gate users. Thank you for joining here. And the High Vision, thank you for your support and appreciation, Mr. High Vision. And next, you have to see the Blue Velvet is awarded as core as crowd, the VN and the Velvet. So users can stack their Velvet dollars and the tokens to get the Blue Velvet. And the longer the log and the higher the amount of the Blue Velvet received to the encourage continue to the continuous unlocking the sustain and participations from the stakeholders. The velvet and the balance declines over the time until it reaches zero at the conclusion of the initial locking period. So it can be increased by the restarting in the locking period always. So next is you have to see the real we will with the stickers enjoy the real yield with the velvet dollar smart and next is the velvet emissions to bootstrap and the velvet ecosystem activity and next is the velvet fee discounts and according to the tires increased fee sharing from the referrals and additional rewards allocated from the velvet ecosystem participants and next is the voting right on the major velvet decisions and next in the further way velvet will also be the used to vote for the velvet dollars and emissions allocations cross wallets and next. Now you have to see the revenue split and the real yield and the revenue from the protocols fees will be split as follows: 50% swap at to velvet dollars and the paid out to the velvet stackers and next is the 50% transfer to the Dow Treasury. Next is the incentive program. So the launch pad daily runner drops and the trading fee discounts and the treasury management fees and the free portfolio launch daily runners and the structures products and with the liquidity and the agentic the profile. So next is the launch allocations and unlock the scheduled token allocation. So now you have to see this is growth funds and team and advisors liquidity and the preview and then the airdrop and the stakes and the early backers. Everything is showing here. So now is the next is the details and the vesting. So early backers is the 15% of the supply is reserved to the distributed to the early specs and with a part of it's already allocated to Binance Labs and early backers have a 1 year cliff allowed followed by a 2.5 year linear vesting. Next is the community around 0.53% is of the supply is reserved for the Tycoon, sorry, Techun. The community participated in the eco community round, and next is the finance wallet IDO reserve or the future investors, wallet marketing and foundation treasury ecosystem and community, the growth fund and the team advisors and the liquidity provision that are airdrops and the stacking rewards and the now here is you can see the mission schedule the community round that result to the for future investments and development marketing and ecosystems community team and reserves airdrop and backing everything is showing it now you have to be careful. Next is the for developers. This section is to describe the main technical elements required for the smart contract integrations. If you have any specific questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. So first of all, you have to see the profile data. So the gate tokens and one. function signature returns, and the usage is this function says provided a list of all tokens currently held in the wallet, so the allowing users to get an overview of the wallet compositions. Next is the total supply, so that returns the total supply of the portfolio tokens, and the function signature returns usage deposit multi token deposit function signature parameters, and the multi token deposit for the function's signature and the parameters, and withdraw is the multi token withdrawal for, so allow and the powered user to management protocol without no. So next the function signature parameters usage multi-token withdrawal. Here is in the emergency withdrawal force, so the claim the removed portfolio tokens, and the claim token ATA ID or LD. So I don't know. And next is the get data ATD. Welcome the Camelier Camellia flower tea. Thank you for joining here. And now you have to see the Mitoran Salam. Thank you for joining here. Here is the portfolio management API. The overview is a valid portfolio management APIs enables you to manage and rebalance the tokenized portfolios. So now you have to see this retribe and inspect all the profiles created by the given owners, and next is the rebalance protocols, protofiles, and by selling one token and buying another, so execution triggers the usage on chain class, calls, and the deposit and withdrawal tokens from products, and obtain the helper of information. So also next is the pre-to-assist and the thread flow, the overview and the pitch all created a valid. And here's the conclusions with the endpoints and the code sample provided. You should be able to discover and manage over all your values, and that programmatically the prepare and execute the traders through the rebalance interface, and the monitor and the query and the deposit and withdraw. Everything is happening here. The smart contract documents here. So now you have to see these documents contains the documentations for the latest Velvet smart contracts, and the please don't hesitate to reach out for the integration support. So now you have to see this. Next is the introduction to Velvet 4. V4 protocol is the DeFi protocols enabling the creations and management and the interactions with the with on-chain profile. And next key features is profile creations and deposit and withdrawal, rebalancing and external position management, and the debit management, and the profile management configuration, and the treasury and the watchlist management, and token execution handling. Next, you have to see the Velvet Core. Velvet Core contracts facilitate the creations of the new protocols and the provide core functionalities for the protocol management. So next, you have to see this. All the informations are here. So if you have want to choose any information, so you to be aware yourself. Okay. Next, you have to see the product roadmap. So first of all, completed the BNB chain beta launch, and next is the referral program, arbitrary beta deployments, and intent the OS developments and the internal Next, you have to see this security and audits. So this verified and audited. So all the contracts are open for external code auditors and white hats to verify the code. We are constantly running with bug bounties and the conducting security audits and the real-time security monitoring. The Velvet Capital partner with the portal and as it generally provides the transition simulations and real-time alerts for on-chain events and including any irregulatory activity next is the bug bounty. So we currently have few bug boundaries please refer to the scope and rewards on Immunify and Health Finance. Welcome once again the Crypto MacBook No Time Limit 8. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So now you have to see this verified and audit. So all the contracts are open for the external code auditors and white hats to verify the code. And next is the final report can be found here. It's here is the giving they are giving the link here. You want to open it and then you have to be explore anything you wanted to do that. Okay, I will definitely join your stream, Mr. Crypto MacBook. I will do it, okay? The next real time security Velvet Capital pattern with the port of the largest network of the security intel in the Web3 and the Velvet Capital also the users open the zip line the Defender 2.0 and the security platforms or to the code audit deploy. Okay. And here you have to see the website app and the previous version beta and everything is here. You wanted to know if you have to get version. And, oh my god. Archive previous variant, you have to see this. Next is the wallet creation. So determine the custody types, the non-custodial wallet and the create of wallet. It's additional loads and the post creations is here. The next is the deposit and withdrawals overview. I already tell you the index swaps, contract fatalities, the process of the investing and the withdrawing funds in a portfolio of tokens, and it allows the users to invest in a portfolio and the receive index tokens and representing their share in the portfolio. Next is the deposit process Okay. Next, you have to see the deposit process, so any institutions and validations and chart fees and swap and calculate the USD value and the mint index tokens and update cool down period and next is the calculations. Okay. Withdrawal process initiates validations, chart fees, burn index tokens and swap protocol tokens and calculations. Additional news is here. So next is the trading, so the trading main flow, the wallet manager decided to the trade and the assets within the wallets to do so. They might claim a traditional rewards and next is the function. So swapping ETH or BNB to the token that the swap ETH to tokens function is used to the swap ETH BNB, so the swap ETH tokens function allows on an external entity. So next is swapping tokens to token and swapping tokens to ETH and calculating swap amount and swapping token to the tokens and the swap via aggregations and refunds. Preval is initial initializing and the setting deposit state and selling overweighted tokens and next is the buying underweighted the tokens and executed rebalance and updating the token weights and addition or removing. Also everything is here now, you have to be explored and then you know very well. Okay, next is the yield farming, so that as a part of the wallet strategy, wallet managers can use the integrations of the DeFi protocols to earn the additional yield from the underlying tokens. So the Venice Pancake Swap and the App Swap and the Buy Swap and the Wombat DeFi. Next is the fee model. Then you have to see the management fees and performance fees, the entry and the exit fee, the protocols fees are over the fees as here. Next is the wallet admin is the whitelisted manager, whitelisted manager admin also. Next is the asset manager admins and the asset manager description changes and the fee changes also. Next, we have to see the what is the Gate Launch Pool. So the Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and the airdrops platform, and where users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn the early airdrops of the hot and new coins. And next is the how can I participate in the Gate Launch Pool. So now you have to see the first log into your Gate accounts and then navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page and then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Also, next is the which coin can I stack in Get Launch Pool. The token eligible for the participation will be announced on the mining page of the each project. So please visit the cross trending page of the Get Launch Pool and overview the view more details also. Okay, next is the how many tokens will be rewarded. So the early stacking reward is equal to the individual latest 1 hour valid from the excess amount and multiply the total pool stacking amounts and multiply the hourly reward cap pool. Sorry, next, how are the rewards distributed? So the platforms will take the multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amounts early and then token rewards are yes are distributed to the eligible users. Next is the when will the stack assets be redeemed. So it simples or does not the after the users read them in advance the stacking is completed, the task will be sorry the stake the assets will be the transfer to the simple earned by default. So if this option is unchecked and the stack assets will be the redeem into the spot assets. So next is the can I redeem my stack assets at any time? Yes, you can stack your assets at any time. The platforms will be take the multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amounts and each project and they'll calculate the valid stack staking amounts. And next, can I add additional stack assets, so you can increase your stack assets at any time you wanted to do that. And next is, can I participate in the multiple project at the same time? Yes, you can do that. When there are multiple projects at the same time, you can going on the at the same time, so you can stack in the different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Okay. Next is, what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? So the early reward hard cap is the users for the each project difference once the cap is reached to for the stacking rewards, and will be the granted. And next will asking the asset in the gate launch will impact my VIP level. The asset stack in the gate launch will be included in the asset holding calculations. Okay, what will happen to my funds if the project is ended now? So, in case of early ending, your stack assets, stack principal will be automatically the redeem as soon as the possible project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed. And next is the when about the annual percentage rate is APR. So when the reward coin is stack coin, so APR is equal to the total reward at least in the last R multiplied by the last R total stack multiply 365 multiply 24 and multiply 100x. Next is when the reward coin is not stacking stack coin, so then APR is equal to the total reward released in the last R and multiply this closing price of the reward and the coin of the last R, and the last R is total stack as the closing price of this stack is coin for the last R. Welcome to Beer Lab. Thank you for Beer Law. And the gate users, thank you for joining it, everyone. Welcome to Johar 09. So thank you for joining here. Okay, now there's some internet issue. I don't know what happened. Okay, thank you everyone who's joining here. Thanks a lot. And I'm going to end up this stream. Take care of yourselves, and may God give you success in every field of your life. Johar 09, dear. I don't know what are you saying. I just tell you I'm fine. And how about you? It's your language. I don't understand. What are you trying to say? Please kindly drop the comment section. It's in English. I don't understand. What are you saying that? If you want to chit chat here, then drop your comments in the English, okay? Then I will understand and I will respond to you. Okay, now everyone, I'm going to end up this stream. Thank you for joining here. Take care of yourself. May God give you success in every field of your lives. And goodbye, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. Everyone. Take care of yourselves. Bye.